What's going on? Welcome back, Kid Family, to this series. If you are checking in for the first time, on this series I talk about all the wheel setups that I've ran on my 8th gen Honda Civic. I talk about the good things, the bad things, do I recommend them? So if you are new, consider subscribing and let's get started. Alright, on episode 5 we are talking about the Honda factory performance wheels that were made and produced for the 06 to 08 Honda Civic Si. These wheels right here, they're 18 by 7.5 wide, and they do still come with the standard Honda offset of 45. The tires on these come factory with 215, 40, 18-inch tires. Now, if you did want to pay all that extra money for the Honda factory performance, you did get a decent looking set of wheels, but they are not perfect, and I'm going to talk to you guys about these wheels in the slideshows following, so stay tuned. Alright, so I picked up my set used in kind of rough shape. I did have to refinish them, repaint them, and here you guys go, gunmetal finish, which I later flipped for some profit. This is how I was running the car for a second. I just wanted a comparison. What do you guys think looks better, the rear or the front? Anyway, this is how the car looked like at this time. I was dropped, I believe, on coilovers. Overall, from the side profile, I really love this look. Fits well with the 18s. Definitely looks optimal with like lip kit on the vehicle, but it still looks good without a lip kit. You can see that the tires could be a little wider because there isn't as much poke as I would like, especially in the rear. Maybe a 225 tire would be better than the 215 tire. But overall, if you have the Honda factory performance lips with these 18s, the car looks really good. I would just recommend the 225 tires. And once again, I'm going to show you guys the wheels without a lip kit, and you can see that these wheels are way too big with a car without a lip. You would have to drop it quite severely to make it look pretty good. Overall, just keep in mind, if you're going to run the 18s, you're going to either need a drop or Honda factory performance lips to give the car an overall balanced look. Alright, and that concludes it for this video here today. Thank you guys for watching. Next episode, next wheels, so stay tuned.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see